Okay, let's look at how to build categories now. It's really quite simple to build and organize categories. In the settings menu, go to e-commerce and then categories. You'll see existing categories over here organized in a tree structure, and you'll find a place to create a new category on the main page. The name is what will be seen everywhere, for example these. This setting turns it on or off, and the priority sort allows you to organize it against other categories. So if you want this to be the first category people see, give it a number 1. If you want it to be last, give it some big number like this. It's up to you to figure out how you want to number your categories in order to prioritize them. And it just kind of depends on how many you have. Most people just use 1 through however many categories they have. This setting allows you to make the category to be a top level or a child of another category. For example, cabinet components is a child of box components. So if you'd like to make this a child, you'd select the other category you want to make it a child of. You can make sure that only certain companies can even view this category by making it company exclusive. To do that, choose the company using either tags, meaning you've tagged a group of companies as a certain tag and you can use that single tag here, or by finding one particular company. The description is simply for your reference and the image is used in the catalog. You can manage existing categories by clicking on them over here on the right side. You can edit and save to rearrange your category tree.